Hey guys, it's Lucas. This is going to be a little update on this Quorum ceiling fan, and I've called it a Quorum Classic for quite a while. But then I got a lot of comments saying this isn't a Quorum Classic because Quorum Classics have G vents, and more people keep telling me that I should call it a Quorum Capri because Quorum Capris have these kind of vents. Anyways, just a heads up, that's what I'm going to call from now on, Quorum Capri. Anyways, it's running a low right now. Let's crank it up to medium. This fan doesn't really run that fast because it's pretty old. It was manufactured in May, I think, of '94. It's antique brass. Here's the light. Here's medium. High. The capacitor might be a little bad because the other fans in the house are a lot faster than this. I'll turn it back off. Stop the blades. Anyways, it's 5 blades. It's got reversible oak to walnut. And it has gloss blades. Alright, I'll turn it back to the speed it was originally on. Alright, peace out.